Hi, I'm Skye Hawkins. I'm a residential faculty member in psychology here at CGCC. I come from New England, where I did my bachelor's degree in psychology at Providence College. I thought that I might be interested in becoming a clinical psychologist at that time, but I did an assortment of internships and other applied experiences that actually taught me I was more interested in prevention. So rather than working with folks with already diagnosed disorders, figuring out kind of upstream what things could be done to prevent them, prevent the onset, reduce severity of symptoms. And so I got a master's degree in prevention science and practice next. Worked a bit in youth serving organizations and in higher education, and then went back for my PhD, similarly within prevention science. So I studied the prevention of internalizing disorders, things like anxiety and depression, and the intersection of that and positive youth development. So how do we increase positive youth development competencies to decrease the incidence of those disorders? And during my PhD, I gained more experience in teaching, which is part of what brought me here. I think in terms of the various fields and topics in psychology, something that's great is teaching, for me, introduction to psychology, because I have mostly non-majors, so I have the task of making sure that Psych 101, the intro course, is of interest and people see connections, whether it's exercise science and they see connections with motivation or team dynamics, or if it's dental hygiene and we look at, how can you reduce anxiety around dentist visits. Or I have plenty of students from nursing, and it might not even be in terms of diagnoses of psych disorders, but rather maybe how do we use behavioral principles to help people adhere to medication regimens. So I look forward to, in my courses, helping you find what you're excited about in psychology, and I think in terms of your career in psych, doing things that feel aligned for you, following those threads and kind of finding a theme, and asking for opportunities, not necessarily waiting for them to come to you, but asking for them, borrowing some audacity wherever you want to find it, and